Hey everyone, the delicious flavors of Don Papa Rum mixed with some epic cold brew brings us the Calypso coffee cocktail. Let's get into it. All right, so first thing, we're gonna start off with the glass that we're gonna drink out of, and we are going to pop in 25 mils of our Don Papa Rum, followed by 25 mils of coffee liqueur. Sugar syrup, we'll add 15 mils of that. And then 150 mils of our cold brew. Give it a little mix, just to stir it all around. And we'll leave this one here. We're going to grab a shaker. We're gonna pop some double cream in there. So we wanna put about 25 mils or so of our double cream in. So I reckon that's probably gonna be just a couple of scoops. Awesome. With a handful or two of ice straight in there. And we're gonna shake this vigorously. And once we've shaken that one up, we're just going to strain this, a nice little cold mixture, in with our coffee and rum. Grab the back of your spoon once you pop a little bit in. And that's just to help float it. Now we'll give this one a little tap on the bottom. That's gonna help separate it. Let it sit for a second. You'll notice it's just gonna drop. Now I have a nice little piece of chocolate with some rose petals on it. And I'm just going to use that to garnish this drink, and we're just going to sit that right just on top of the float there. And there you have your Calypso coffee cocktail. Cheers.